Okay, taking a look at this 52 Chevy 3100, original frame, Mustang 2 front, really built driver, 5.3 motor has been all gone through, and built 4L70 trans, so you got overdrive. That trans has been built, has a stall on it. Really nice little patina look. Got a little linseed oil shining it up here. Simple little wood bed floor. Gas tank relocated to the back. Pretty simple interior, nice comfortable seat, dolphin gauges, vintage air, low car shifter. Fires up like it should. Sounds really good. A nice cam in it. Got a good tune on it. Like I said, 5.3 has been built. Aluminum radiator, new wiring, vintage air, heat.